Okay, guys. Guess who? Yeah, this is Brooklyn, New York, where I live. This is another one. Another blizzard on the izzard. Is a lizard. Let me get this gum out of my mouth, because my mouth is dry. We just coming out of Family Dollars. See Family Dollars over there? They open. Today is, what, the 23rd?
Yeah.
Today's the 23rd. I'm here with my son, Jay. Say hi, Jay.
Hello.
Hola.
No, just hello.
You should know just hello. He is actually, he's sitting on the pile of snow. You see how high the snow is? You see the gate? This is the gate. This is the snow.
Wait.
You see that?
Wait, Mommy.
Look at this. This is no joke. Look at him. My son, he ain't got no sense. Jay, come on.
No, look at me. Put the video camera on me.
Oh, you want me to put the video camera on him?
I'm the king.
He's sitting on his throne in the snow. You stupid. Come on, off your throne. Come on, Jay. Yeah, so we had to come here to Family Dollars because the hardware store in my location is closed. Closed. The nerve. They closed. Closed. So, this is 2016 Snow Blizzard Part 1. Okay? So right now we're going to this park near to my son's school. And you see all of this? This is ice.
Look. Put it on me.
Doesn't it look like chiclets?
Look how high this is.
You need to get from down there, Jacob, because it's near the street. Yeah. So, this is I think this is part of the hardware store's property right here. It's near my building. It's around the corner from my building. This is, see that snow? See the ice? This is some strong ice. It looks like chiclets. I know, right? Like gum. This is salt. So now, okay, I'm not going to keep this video going too long because this is part 1. And I don't know how to do that editing stuff. So we're walking towards the end of the block. Okay. My son, he don't know how to quit. His hat look like a Whoville hat. Now who forest Yahoo, don't raise.
I scratched snow on my hand and it went on my face.
Whew. Yeah. So yeah, he got his little YouTube video going on too.
Cush flame boy.
Cush flame boy. Cush flame boy. So we are crossing the street. You see that mountain right there? We got to, this is the street.
Look, I can't wait to tell my grandkids about
This is the road.
I can't wait to tell my grandkids about it.
And look at this. Why are you going up there?
Tell my grandkids.
Get down. You see the mountain? Mount Everest. Okay. So guys, I'm not going to keep y'all, but I just want to show y'all something. I made a video and it says people are going to get hurt. Okay? These people right here, my video is kind of shaky. Sorry about that. These people right here that own this building, this property, they need to come out here and shovel. They do. Let me just get a little closer. Right here, these people, and I showed y'all how they be parking their cars all alongside right here, and how these cars be running through the red light. Well, these people right here who own this building, this hardware store, they need to come out here and shovel this. Okay? And what's even worse, This hardware store is closed. This ain't, I'm gonna show y'all what hardware store is real quick. I'm gonna try to get to the front, and then I'm gonna bring this video to a close. Cause this is part one. I can't. Oh my God! I can't even. Now mind you, this is a crosswalk. This is a crosswalk. I'm supposed to be able to cross from here, from here to here. I cannot get over there. Don't do that, Jay. I cannot cross. They didn't shovel nothing over here. They ain't shovel nothing. This is the crosswalk right here. And sanitation, the city need to come over here and shovel this. Shovel this straight across the board. This is the crosswalk. You can't cross. Look at this. This is 2 crosswalks. Anyway, this hardware store here, Park something another. If I can get in and zoom in on that. These guys, you guys, y'all own this. This is your building. This is your building, and that belongs to you. Yes, that's snow right there. They didn't shovel it. Today is the 23rd. They did not shovel it. Okay, guys, this is 2016 blizzard for Miss Collins. Right, Miss, tell her like it is. Hi. Don't. Move it. Yeah. We're at the bed. Yeah, that's right. We're at the bed.
I found another.
Yeah. On that note, peace. Peace, love, and here grease. Alright?
Oh my God.